helicopters inbound once again, ladies and gentlemen, ready to secure the Marines and extract them from the zone. Here come the security Marines now that will cover the helicopter embarkation as the men make their way to go aboard the two CH-53s. Taking their positions, they now will be covering the aircraft from enemy fire. Bringing the down pilot back to the lead CH-53, the Marines embark the helicopters once again. Note the Marines spaced around the two aircraft, providing ground cover from the enemy and suppressing fire. As the last of our rescuers and our downed pilots get aboard the aircraft, our security Marines now reboard their aircraft to proceed to the LZ. After all are on board, the recovery aircraft will take off and return to base. Done quickly and expeditiously, mere seconds on the ground to clear all the forces. The CH-53s lift off to return to base after another successful MAGTF mission. And now, ladies and gentlemen, in order to ensure that no secret material was left behind, the fixed-wing escort aircraft sanitizes the zone using a 2,000-pound joint direct attack munition, or a JDAM. Watch for it. Please have your children's ears covered if they are here, because it is a potent weapon.
There it is.
Inbound, ladies and gentlemen, to sanitize the area and make sure that it's all clear. Look to your left as our Mark 58 comes inbound once again at high speed to erase all traces of the Marine Air Ground Task Force. Watch for it. Feel the heat.